Hey, how you doing, guys? Today I have a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to program car homelink to open the garage door. It's real simple, guys. All right, let me show you. Today we're working on a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. um, the first thing we're gonna do is turn the car on. um, then we're gonna locate the homelink button. To reset, to reprogram your cars, it's gonna hold for 10 to 20 seconds, the first one and the third one. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That light is gonna indicate that it's reprogramming. We'll let go, and then that indicates that it's good to go. All right, after we have reprogrammed your car, we're gonna program your car with the garage door opener. If you have a remote control already set up, just select whatever you wanna pick. In this case, I'm gonna pick the number one, the first one. So it's gonna press it. That light is gonna indicate we're good to go to continue with the programming. In my case, the remote control, I'm gonna hold the remote control about close to it, press it, and that green light indicate that is programming. As you can see, the door behind us, as you can hear, the door behind us is closing. We're gonna wait until close. Okay, after the door closes, we're gonna press the number one, in my case, 2 times. And then after you press it 2 times, it should work. And as you can hear, it's working. As you can see, it's working. It's real simple. If that doesn't work with the remote control, you already have set it up. If you don't have a remote control already set up, the second option is to press, let's say number one. You press it, the orange light is gonna come on, and you're gonna go to the back of your garage door opener. It's a little, see, learn code. You're gonna press it for about 5 seconds. Then you're gonna get back into your car, and press it again. Press it 2 times, and that should help you. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. It's real simple. There's tons of videos and forums online. But if you have any questions, I'll be gladly to help. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See ya.